In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Squarespace's Fluid Engine feature set up in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic tool for creating a more dynamic and custom layout on your Squarespace site, and I'm excited to walk you through the process step by step. Before we dive into the actions, it's important to have your website's URL handy. This will make the transition through the steps seamless, especially if you need to flip between your current site and the Squarespace setup. To begin, what you'll want to do is navigate to the Squarespace website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Squarespace URL. Once the site loads, the next step is to click on Get Started. This is a prompt that you'll find prominently displayed, aiming to get you into the system quickly and efficiently. Once you've hit Get Started, you'll be routed to the dashboard. It's the control center for all your website editing needs. If you're planning to begin making edits right away, look for an Edit Site button. Clicking this will launch you into the Site Editor, your main workspace for tweaking and enhancing your site elements. With your dashboard open, the next move is to select Edit on the page you intend to modify. As you do this, keep in mind that this area allows you to view and make changes directly to your site's pages. After hitting the Edit button, you'll be ready to begin adding new items to your page layout. Now, direct your attention to the Add Section button. Clicking here will let you introduce new sections into your web page, kind of like inserting building blocks to hold the different parts of your content. Once you've selected Add Section, you'll encounter the option to add a blank Fluid Engine section, or, alternatively, choose a category of pre-built sections. It's useful to note that sections with a little eye icon in the corner won't use Fluid Engine, as they're part of auto layouts. So if you're keen on utilizing Fluid Engine for custom flexibility, you'll want to go for a blank section or customize one without that icon. After choosing your desired section, the hard part is over. Simply finalize everything by clicking Save to publish your updates. By saving your changes, you ensure that your site reflects the latest design choices and remains fresh and engaging for visitors. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've equipped your Squarespace site with the Fluid Engine feature, enhancing your ability to craft a site that fits exactly what you've envisioned. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and tweak more within Squarespace to perfect your design. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.